guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about face makeup brushes in details. And we all know that we should have a good collection of face makeup brushes to create to blend our makeup evenly and smoothly, because brushes and sponges and beauty blenders, all this kind of face makeup applicators makes our base makeup really very smooth and even. If you guys are interested in the eye makeup brushes, I can definitely make another separate video for eye makeup brushes too, but in this video particularly I'm going to talk about the face makeup brushes. We all know that we should have a good collection of any brushes, and if we have that collection, our life is sorted, because once we start our makeup routine, we just don't get to understand that what kind of brushes should I buy for doing my base makeup, or for doing my contouring, for doing my blush, doing my highlighting. We get really very confused in case of choosing makeup brushes. I'm going to share with you my favorite face makeup brushes that presently I am using, and I am really happy with the result of the makeup. Presently I am just into the face makeup brushes a lot, because brushes tends to give our makeup very smooth and flawless finish that I really like. And yes, though beauty blender also gives that flawless finish, but I feel using a face makeup brush, it just makes my features much more defined and much more sharp and crystal clear in the camera or in the photograph or in the selfies or groupies. First applicator that we need in our makeup routine, in the beginning of our makeup routine, is a good quality foundation brush, because if our base of the makeup is not blended properly, doesn't looks that flawless, the whole outcome of the makeup will really look so dull and artificial, and I really don't want that. The foundation brush that I am using currently is this one, and you have seen in all of my videos I have been using this particular brush to blend my makeup, because I just cannot get out of it. It is so good. The quality of the brush is just so good, and the finishing of my makeup becomes so smooth and so even and so flawless by using this particular brush. This flat top foundation brush is from PAC and the number is 252. This have dense straight bristles. Handle of this brush is really good quality, as well as the density of the bristles is so fine and so straight and so smooth that you can just buff in your foundation deep into your skin easily. How to find a good quality foundation brush? First of all, you need to see the straight and clear and dense hard bristles. If we have a long handled brush, it is easy to grip and just blend down your base makeup. My next face makeup brush is the concealer brush. This is also from the PAC brand, and it is in the number 219 concealer brush. You can see guys, it is a type of dome shaped brush. The bristles of this brush is somewhat looks like a fluffy eye makeup brush, but it is not at all a fluffy eye makeup brush. You can just buff in the product easily in your skin. When you apply concealer onto your dark circles or imperfections of your face, you just need to hold the brush like this and just dab in the product. Kindly don't drag the concealer with this particular concealer brush, because it will give you the fine lines or the brush streaks on your makeup. It's going to give you that cakey and unfinished makeup look, which we obviously don't want. I'll highly recommend this particular concealer brush to you guys. Do purchase this brush and just see the result. It's just mind blowing. Next comes the powder brush. Definitely after completing your base makeup and the concealer, you will want a powder to set your makeup throughout the day so that it doesn't move from your face. But after applying the powder, you need to dust off the excess powder from your face. So for that you can use this particular powder brush which I am using presently, and I am in love with this particular powder brush. This is also from PAC and the number is 211. You can get many artificial powder brushes in the market, but when you try to dust off the excess powder with those artificial brushes, you know, they'll just leave a fine line, or they'll just leave that streak or impression of the bristles onto your makeup, and I hope you will never want that to make your makeup look cakey and artificial. This is a dome shaped powder brush, and this will disperse your product evenly onto your face and will spread it in a very natural way. Basically these three face brushes are from PAC. This is the foundation flat top brush, this is the concealer brush, and this is the powder dome shaped brush. I am in love with these three brushes, and I'm really looking forward to buy more of the makeup brushes from this particular brand PAC, because this brand is making some insane makeup brushes for all the makeup lovers. And contouring is a great way to sculpt all of your features well. So for that you need this kind of angled brush, because contouring brush bristles are kind of angled. The powder brush as well as the contouring brush, they comes almost in the same size, but this is a dome shape brush, this is a powder brush, this is a dome shape brush, and this is a contouring brush which comes in a slanting or in an angled shape. Usually contour our cheekbones to give that sculpted look to our face. You can grip your contouring brush well, and you can place this in an angle where you have your cheekbone, and you can just blend up all the contouring product in it. These contour brushes can be used in both ways. You can contour as well as you can bronze up your face, because whether you contour or whether you bronze your face, you just need an angled kind of brush to do so. This brush goes for the cream contour as well as the powder product. The contouring brush have very precise and defined straight sharp bristles, which is really good for contouring. When you contour with the angled brush like this, you just need to give small stippling motion to blend in the product, to buff in the product into your skin and give you a very flawless natural contouring. This contouring brush is from the brand Real Technique, and we all know that Real Technique have a huge range of makeup brushes, and they are really helpful to create flawless makeup look. My fifth and the last makeup brush which I am going to show you guys is the fan brush. This is a small fan brush, and this is basically used for highlighting your cheeks and highlighting the highest points of your face. I usually highlight with this fan brush, and I highlight all of the highest points of my face, my cheekbone, my cupid's bow, my T-zone area as well as my chin with this particular fan brush. I have just bought this from Amazon from a generic random brand. I just picked up one because I really wanted a small fan brush. The fan brush will just spread out all of your product evenly onto your cheekbone precisely, will not give you that disco ball look. So basically I use the fan brush for this reason. I also have this big flattering fan bruch. It takes a very small portion of my face and creates its own activity. So while using this flattering fan brush, it covers all of my face and all of the product gets spread over my face and gives me that disco ball look, which I really hate. These are the 5 brushes which has just made my makeup look much more improved and much more natural and flawless and even and smooth, and I really can't live without these brushes. Finding some quality makeup brushes is a really tough job, so it's worth it if you take your whole time to find some quality makeup brushes. If you love eye makeup, I'm sure you will want to invest a lot of amount to buy the eye makeup brushes, and if you love face makeup, I'm sure you are going to invest quality makeup brushes for your face makeup. Find some good quality of makeup brushes, which will be not tested on animals, and it will be absolutely cruelty free. By this I will end this video, and if you find this video helpful and informative, then please do like, comment and share, and do hit that subscribe button because it means a lot to me, and do hit that bell icon to stay notified with all of my upcoming videos. So thank you guys for watching me. Love you, take care, have fun, and stay tuned with my next videos. Bye.